Manipur observes 28th Manipuri Language Day, commemorating the day when Manipuri language was included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution on 20th August 1992. UCM warns of befitted reply by people of Manipur if Indian government finalized Indo-Naga peace talks with NSC and IM against the people's consent. Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren announces rewards for SP Thawal and his team for busting a brown sugar factory at Thawal Moijing on Sadbhavana Divas observance today. KSA members storm COSAM office demanding actions on authority of Chingtam Foundation for Innovative Education, Yairipok, for allegedly procuring COSAM recognition with fake documents. CLP leader Okrami Bobi says opposition party will praise government for its efficiency but at the same time will not spare its misconduct. And Chief Minister Nongthongbam Biren launches personal website. People may post their complaints and grievances to grievance cell of Chief Minister's Secretariat. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laitangba Monica with the latest news updates. Manipur observed the 28th Manipuri Language Day today to commemorate the day when Manipuri language was included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution on 20th August 1992. Patriotic Writers Forum PAWF Manipur held the observance at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking at the event, educationist and social worker Dr. S. Manauton lamented that government's initiative to promote Manipuri language is behind time. He urged people to promote the language instead of mere observance of the day. Kesho Singh Irengba received Dr. Saroj Nalini Arambam Parat Literary Award 2019. Laishram Shyamo received R. Kathing Tangkhul Literary Award 2019 and Laisembi Maikham received Pacham Maitai Literary Award 2019 on the occasion. The forum also released its biennial journal, Ngaklo, at the event. DM College of Arts, DMU, along with YK College, Wangzing, organized one-day national seminar on Manipuri language in the global context on the 28th Manipuri Language Day at DM College of Arts today. Principal of DM College of Arts, Dr. Chungkham Silaramani, Principal of YK College, Dr. Soibam Giri, and President of Manipuri Sahitya Parisad, I.S. Kangjam, attended the event. President of United Committee Manipur UCM Sunil Karam has warned that people of Manipur will erupt into intense agitation if the Indian government finalized Indo-Naga peace talks with the NSC and IM against the want of the people. Speaking to media at UCM office in Lamphel today, Sunil Karam stated that interlocutor of Indo-Naga peace talk, who is also the governor of Nagaland, an event in Nagaland, claimed that Indo-Naga peace talks may be finalized by October or November this year as per a statement released by the Prime Minister's office. Stating that UCM takes the statement seriously, Sunil Karam mentioned that UCM had submitted repeated memoranda to the Prime Minister about the same. He warned both BJP-led state and central governments of intense agitation if Manipur is ever bifurcated like the Jammu and Kashmir.
Framework agreement asina Manipur da karigumba akogi sokpa yaba wafam amakak government of India na yaroktana lakpa taragadi aikoi Manipur praja punamuna aikoi sem saduna laiminarakanda aikoi hanagi ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯏꯊꯅꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯇꯤꯚ ꯗꯤꯕꯤꯖꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯇꯣ UCMꯅꯁꯨ ꯆꯞ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯂꯩꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ ꯍꯟꯖꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯇꯥꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ प्रजा पुनमकिसु अखोई तोंगानबा फिरेप अमा लौरकांदा मणिपुर कननबगी खोंजंगदुमा अखोई चंगछन्नबगी फिरेतुमा लेरे हाय
Manipur joined the nation in observing Sadvavana Divas on the 75th birth anniversary of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi today. Speaking at the event held at the banquet hall of the 1st Manipur Rifles, Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen announced reward for SP Thobal and his team for their milestone operation for busting a brown sugar factory at Thobal Moijing, where the team seized contraband heroin brown sugar worth 166.6 crore rupees on August 17. He also urged the people to know the true meaning of Sadvavana Divas being celebrated after the altruistic ideology of Rajiv Gandhi to unite the nation. Bireen also stated that government has identified around 20,000 old-age pension-deprived senior citizens under Go to Village mission to give the benefit. Chief Minister Bireen disclosed that government has earmarked 5 crore rupees to give pensions to the beneficiaries of various constituencies in the near future. He maintains that developmental progress brought by hardly 2.5-year-old BJP-led state government is because of the cooperation among its representatives. Mentioning that the recent election code of conduct hindered work progress for around 4 months, Bireen urged people for cooperation in pacing the developmental progress after the hiatus. The Chief Minister also appealed to wear helmets while riding on two-wheelers. He instructed the Traffic Police Department not to issue driving license to riders who do not wear helmets and to start measures for replacement of tinted windshields of four-wheelers with normal transparent glass at the earliest.
Adu maruaina laujaraga lamdam masida leiriba kanglup singlu singba singamadi miyam punamakta aigi haiba wakalon thadokduna mahausagi nungsi chanaba mari amadi apunbagi saktam adu hena chetsin handuna saukhatba amadi tanglu leitaba lamdam ama semlasi haiba aina hona appeal tawjari masida lamdam masigi miyam gi thabuk tawbiriba civil society organization punamaksu mateng pangbirakani haiba gi sepa thajaba thamjari inana punamakida isa isagi
Taking part in the event, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar stated that bringing integrity in a nation inhabited by various communities with diverse culture and languages is not an easy task. He maintained that the state will develop only when there is peace and harmony among the communities. He also stated that Manipur might not have developed as it is today if it did not merge with the Indian Union, which is one of the largest democratic countries in the world.
Different blockade it's only we need to realize the importance of this. Development unless and until you have peace, you have stability. Rajiv Gandhi na Pamjama Banglan say Mampao Nungsi Sanan Leminadra, Eba Asigi Amato, a big sectum, Chetsin, Nanaba, Equipana Makna, Isai Tonta, Lona, was a lower.
Irate members of Kanglei Park Students Association KSA stormed the office of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur Kosam against the council's failure to take actions against authority of Ching Tam Foundation for Innovative Education in Yaripok, who have allegedly acquired Kosam recognition on production of fake certificates. Manipur police team led by SP Imphal West rushed to contain the situation. Council authorities and Imphal West SP held a briefing with few KSA members. The council authorities specified the irate KSA members by assuring of taking actions at the earliest. Speaking to media, KSA Vice President S. Vidyananda asserted that KSA had submitted repeated memoranda demanding actions against the school authority to the Chief Minister, the Education Minister and the COSUM authority, but they have failed to take any measures till date. He condemned that government supports deceptive people.
Hariba protest da akoi mihut ahumna sabat mamas akoi council ke chairman amati secretary unaja matamda haribo hamsing ase yamna genuine oiba maram oibna maram oirakanda makoi ke side ge yamna athuba matamda positive oiba thabak paikhatna na hona gani loina na masigi matangda akoi ge mari leina ba akoi ge concern department da haitare government ge moi higher authority da che thana na ba thawang tawrani haibo ham thamok ga loina na hauji hauji akoi education SC commissioner unarakanda wato sigi warusin lakna na ba hauji akoi unana ma sem sajare ana karigumba hauji akoi commissioner si unarakanda akoi kano maral leiraba haitare ngasagi asaba pada sinar kanda school reconciliation lawreba school si dire recognize to rakanda masigumba akoigi yamna tahoidaba thabagasi matungda amuna thoktana na parama tamanhanan bagi sangchiliba akoigi moment se kaiguma government na ta daba leiragadi akoi makhata na masigi moment se hanma leitana akoi sanction khegani.
CLP leader Okram Ibobi has asserted that opposition party will laud the government for its efficiency but at the same time will not spare its misconduct. He was speaking at the 75th birth anniversary observance of India's former Prime Minister, late Rajiv Gandhi at Congress Bhavan, BT Road today. Ibobi stated that both central and the state governments ruled by BJP are not trustworthy. Mentioning about leadership crisis among the state BJP MLAs, Ibobi maintained that there is no unity among the BJP MLAs. He criticized that the BJP-led state government failed to carry out the Right to Education Act properly. He condemned that government has selected only 60 schools to develop, ignoring the remaining schools. He lambasted BJP government of breaking late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi's dream of a united India. Congress leaders planted 3 saplings at Hapta Kangjebung in Imphal East to mark the day. Number of Congress MLAs attending the event was less compared to the earlier years.
Sangvidhan semtokna tawramiba Congress na tawramiba mayam punamakto madu thabak oina pangthuibra pangthoktabra haibadudi akhoi khangdreba madudi Manipur gi praja singna su khangani leiriba pairiba official singduna budget ta leiriba NDA gi government sina kaya yamna yamak tawramgadoribano haibana singba yamna leire issue si yam leire kana khangani Jammu Kashmir to yu sumaina union territory gi thakta amu putharaksu kana na khangni tambangam deba hujik leiriba center amasung state ta leiriba government si
Members of Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee MPCC organized a blood donation camp at RIMS on the 75th birth anniversary of former Prime Minister late Rajiv Gandhi today. Speaking to media, MPCC President Gai Khangam stated that late Rajiv Gandhi was an eminent leader who worked for the welfare of the poor and the downtrodden and strived to bring national integration. Stating that MPCC members organized a camp after the ideology of the late eminent leader, Gai Khangam hoped that blood donated by over 50 volunteers in the camp today will benefit those in need of blood.
Rajiv Jibu ikai ko no utchaba aduga ma nungsiba utpa eba asin tobiman khamba utpa oina ngasi Youth Congress Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee simbi langbi dana asin ba blood donation camp se pangthoi sida akoi ibong ibe missing na Youth Congress ki sadasya singna ko gi anagumba accident da khangde anaba da khangde I pi bangam daba I dakar lerakpa aduga matamda anaba sing sim apun si se kanbel ngamne makta hajana masi sumba Rajiv ji gi mapok nimit asibu ningsingbo oina so masigi blood donation camp se organize tawjabani Rajiv Jibu ikai ko no utchaba.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren launched his personal website www.nbirensingh.com at the solemn function held at the Cabinet Hall of Chief Minister's Secretariat today. The website contains Chief Minister's profile, latest information, achievements, works, photo gallery, video gallery, etc. The website also has a contact page wherein people may post their complaints and grievances to the grievance cell of the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Prizes for the Sangay Photo Festival Competition 2018, held as part of the Manipur Sangay Festival 2018, was also distributed by the Chief Minister at the function. Dev Kumar, Okendro Sanasam and Soibam Pritam won first, second and third prizes respectively, while Rajkumar Napoleon got special mention prize. The Chief Minister handed over a commendation certificate each and 50,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees and 20,000 rupees to first, second and third prize winners respectively. Forest and Environment Minister Thaunawsiam Syamkumar has reminded that deforestation and killing of wildlife are the main causes of global warming. He was speaking at a tree plantation program at EYDC ground of Iroisemba Chamalo organized by BJP Mandal Uripok today. The minister added that mass tree plantation is necessary to combat climate change. Brand Ambassador of Green Mission Manipur Ilangbam Valentina also attended the program.
Iswana pira ko gele pham male prithvi si isana thuai je bisan bi lak pataki ngasi di male malai ba mioi punna mangna ngasi di jaga ba isin kanna chawba jaga ma dana ikang thokpa jaga ba nongsi kanna sitpa jaga ma da taman thoi me amsi kari gana da ngase ki nature na koi da mioi bi la darat pa kari gana da noi mioi bi na koi gyan ta matam boire natra ka de koi sona pi ba sumba male prithvi se ji noi leibe yaro he ba khudam makhala ma kuda patung be ithil inot am singlen makhalam mi pung kudi mana u thabagi wakalon lakpa amadi singpat toren preserve tobagi ngangi wakalon lakpa si mangam chachin bagi khudam.
Publisher of Sangay Express Daily, Sapam Nishikanta, has announced to sponsor funds to aid in preservation and propagation of the endangered Sangay at its second habitat. He said the same at the Sangay adoption program by the Sangay Express at Manipur Zoological Garden in Iroisemba today. Nishikanta expressed apprehension that the endangered and endemic Sangay is on the verge of extinction and hence called for proper care to preserve the animal. State Principal Chief Conservator of Forest and HOFF Kairaila Hovi Angami IFS, Principal Chief Conservator of Forest, Wildlife and Chief Wildlife Warden DNJ Anand and ISTV Editor-in-Chief Projendro Ningombam attended the event.
Sangay Express chathagi badagi chahi ani makhai hai tare adu mamangda hotel ama taujai Sangay Continental lena adusu adum mangol oi hai tare adagi Sangay se aingonda di yamna close oi hai tare ai hotel da mi ama laamba Sangay gi smai tawdana guide se paisa phangi phangde adagi Sangay gi kha tawji khoche tawbadagi Sangay gi se thijilukan da Sangay zoo da leiba akoi yo ibse si se akoi adopt tawsi haina tawraga tawbani authority na su permission pibi ra koi ngambai do at least hau fauding ami adu yaringe ngamna honani Sangay se akoi gi Manipuri de akoi pride ni pride tanatana English taya Romance of Manipur, Pride of Manipur and the Heart of Manipur. Sangay is a endangered species Manipur matom da hingmanina si yam phajang yokhal kadamni si mayam akhoi mayam gi responsibility nen lobi you.
Members of Green Plantation Society, GPS and Children Radio Listening Club, CRLC, planted around 500 tree saplings for 4th phase of Governor Green Manipur Initiative 2019 today. GPS President R.K. Priyobrata urged people to plant trees to combat climate change. Health Minister Langpok Lakpam Jayanta Kumar inaugurated 2 recently upgraded Health and Wellness Center, Urban Primary Health Centers under State Health Society, National Health Mission, Manipur at Mantripukhi and Munuthong, and a newly constructed Hostel of State Family Welfare Training Center at R&D Complex in Lamphel today. Principal Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Department, B. Vumumlang Mang, Director Health Services, Dr. K. Rajo, Janims Director, Dr. T.H. Bhimo, State Mission Director, National Health Mission, Dr. S. Manikanta, officials and staffs of health services and NHM Manipur attended the event. Officials of Jenims and Churachandpur District Hospital received ventilators under NHM Manipur on the occasion. Speaking at the event, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar stated that improvement in the health sector of the state is obvious. However, it needs improvement. He maintained that people coming for treatment at Jenims and Rims Hospital have increased in the recent times. Health Minister Jayantakumar urged those in the health sector to work with dedication and save lives.
इम्फाल मनुंग दे लेबा मखली जगह खर सी कक चौखलगा कोई मणिपुर की जगह खुद मग लोइन चौखले न कोई क्लेम तो यारोय we need to go inside the hill district go to the hills it's a very good concept but madudagi henjilaga कोई hill department to go to the interior part of the hills kai dori gen hai कोई खंग दब यारोय बर्मा का ताइना जगह दे लेबा मखली की चिंग district द kai लेरिगे डॉक्टर क्या लेगे नर्स क्या लेगे अनाब क्या लेगे अदि लोइन ना असम दकन नागालैंड की बॉर्डर द कैम लेगे सम दकन जीवम के ताइना जगह द कैम लेगे ना बिसे अखोई मदु थीदब यादब मोई लायंग न बस यावरी बंदे अखोई मैम से प्रजा ngakte मोइदी नारा मोई हाबे याते मोइने हेन नाराम गदइने नारियो मैम दो मदु की सर्विस तौंदबगिने
Kaisamthong MLA cum Health Minister Langpulakpam Jayantakumar has appealed to residents of Hodam Leirok in Kaisamthong constituency to stop blocking the road in the colony. He assured to repair the road as soon as possible upon completion of the ongoing drainage works and laying of water pipes in the area. The minister also maintained that he had already discussed on repairing the road with members of local development committee. He asserted that he will not break his promise and accused the previous local MLA of constructing the road without maintaining an equality leading to the present crisis. The minister further assured of immediate measures like filling sands on the big potholes of the road within a few couple days.
I isana su tawni habi commitment su pijaraba tawgi su haidna su leraba tawnaba gi su sem saraba diloina nongchu bari gi tawbi yada dan leiba adi high court thing bari gi nung lengoi phangdaba adi loina pipe laying do madu losin dabu yada dana madu losin bagi ngaiba drain chali do madu losin bagi ngaiba tangai phadaba kola sam thaba changa dam yam madu tawnu honorba ganda madu hang ai tong ai sin do bagin haibagi ai mindol singna TV mamangda thoraga matang wana kan ngangbi be mota ai isana ai soina maki ai phanaba ai torake mamang da palami makli ai yamadana chahi manga je karim da tawdana tumina leram da madu ke fall nei backlog me am da madu ain tok job have thai madu ai manjol singna atuk sa thina matam mang gai nusa mar to thok hai adu to bigano yar ke handok pe
United People's Front in a press release expressed disappointment that members of CAF and PD Labour Welfare Association had to cease work at Ziribam FCI godown due to non-payment of their honorarium on time. He maintained that non-payment of honorarium on time is like looking down upon the workers. UPF urged contractor of FCI Ziribam Mathai Enterprises to resolve the matter at the earliest instead of hiring labourers from outside Manipur. Scuffles occurred at Rims mortuary at around 3 p.m. today among people who came to take the body of a woman from Moirang Lamkhai under Moirang police station who hanged herself on August 17. Imphal West police team came to the spot and tamed the scuffle. Later police took permission from the DC concerned and handed over the body to the family. It may be mentioned that 28-year-old Konthausam Ongbi Chongai Liu reportedly committed suicide by hanging on her husband Konthausam Jackson's bed road. Her body was kept at Rims mortuary until today. MLA Nungba Gaikhangam, who is also the MPCC president, also came to inspect the situation. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah releasing a documentary film on women empowerment titled Lainaga Nungthang, Battles with Hammer. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah released a documentary film on women empowerment produced by Resource, a community development initiative titled Lainaga Nungthang, Battles with Hammer today. Speaking at the event held at Raj Bhavan, Imphal, the governor asserted that Manipuri women are naturally empowered and need no further recognition. Jasmine Nilangbam and Binodini are the lead roles of the film, directed by K.H. Vishwamitra, produced and written by H. Ishwari. The film highlights women artisans of Kangabam Lekai in Imphal West who make handmade indigenous jewelry items to earn a livelihood, thus preserving culture and tradition of the state in the act.
Yes, women in Manipur are empowered. They don't need more empowerment, they only need recognition. That people should recognize their talent and their abilities. And I'm happy that this film will go a very long way for the people to understand the art and culture of Manipur and how beautiful jewelry. The women sitting at home, I didn't see much of equipment with them. It was one hammer and a forceps that with that they were working. And I congratulate the producer and the director of the film.
Paddy fields in 104 Top Chingtha village in Andhra have flourished well despite scanty rainfall in the state through river lift irrigation using water pumps provided by the state government. Members of Yaripok Top Chingtha Farmer Club have been working day and night using river lift irrigation in the paddy fields. Farmers of the area lauded Andhra MLA cum Forest and Environment, Soil Conservation and Mahut Minister Thaunasham Syam Kumar. Yaripok Top Chingtha Farmer Club, member of Tulihal Zilla Parisat Inaucha and Minor Irrigation Department for their help.
Nung tadabnina ising se laikrak chala dum leirabani ubda adum awabum oirakpa ikhoise hojingna ikoi arela isiga adei Top Chingtha Farmer Club ka Tulen Jilla Parisat ki member oibiribi kungam ongbi Inausa Devi amadi Andhra SG Minister Sangkumar ga loinaraga aikoi lawsing si panaba kan honajarakpani masigi awabasi mayuk nadana bagi damukta lawmi singi damukta yamna khudong sana bagi damukta aikoi hojik poro pat mayai maktada aikoi gi kinel amale kinel si yaunaba si arela gi pudaraiba ising kenel lambi si masigi kenel si yauna aikoi gi ngasi sarkar paibiriba isilinau singna sembiba pamjai.
United Bank of India Moirang branch organized one-day financial literary program under the aegis of NABARD at Kaibul Chingmai Bamon Mandap today. Sairing Basingi Apunbalob SHAL Manipur in a press release informed that its 10th Foundation Day observance will be held at Lamyan Basang Lane Palace Compound on August 23 around 12:30 p.m. It further mentioned that Khuraizam Fulo Sanathoy Award Lyricist of the Year 2019, Singer of the Year 2019 and Composer of the Year 2019 will be given on the day. Apunba Manipur Matam Isai Kanglob Ameg has taken 16 resolutions to promote Manipuri Matam Isai. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club today, Ameg advisor Jodha Chandra Sanasam and Rajendra Okram stated that Ameg organized a seminar to promote Manipuri Matam Isai at IMA Hall, Lamphel from August 10 to 12. Members of CSOs, artists and art enthusiasts took part in the seminar and discussed on 21 paper, following which AMIC members held at the conference of State Guest House at Sanjenthong on August 17 and took the 16 resolutions.
Tamo pahari hoina hingingedagi yam kanna honarakpane koi Manipuri matam isai ji national international thakta mayamna sakhang binaba mawong amada puthoksi habajigi topic ne ekhoigi Manipuri nes Manipurgi masak nataba amromda phaina chatki gedra habagi langtaknaba koi nena tadaba matamo pahari hoi matamdai dum phaura abane amingna sita resi mayamna ngakpiu habane kanaguma ngaktaw yauragari ekhoina kauraga wari sanaraga gyan tanaba ma tauraga pulakki oiba masak takpa ma puthoksi habajida bhab tananaba amaga kari hane wa nganaraga gyan tananaba dugi em no object Manipurgi masak tak oina Manipur pumbagi oiba masak amta semji.
Manipur State Kala Academy, in a press release, invited applications from writers and artists for Manipur State Kala Academy Fellowship and Scholarship 2019-21 and Financial Assistance Artist Pension Scheme. Former chairperson of Manipur State Social Welfare Board, R.K. Nayan Sana, released her poetry book of 45 poems entitled Hey Mai Nungshit Ising Nungshit at Lamyanba Sanglain Palace Compound today. Members of GDIP Memorial Foundation and Kanglei Park Loinasin Lon Apunba Marub Klam organized the event. The book, written in both Meitei Mayek and Bengali script. Poor Achievers Foundation, New Delhi, has conferred Second Iconic Personality Awards 2019 to Vice President of Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur, Lenin Hirom. The award distribution ceremony was held at Lajpat Bhavan Auditorium, Lajpat Nagar in New Delhi yesterday. Lenin bagged the award for his exceptional contribution in uplifting differently abled persons. Members of Bamon Lekai Merapaibi, the women's wing of Bamon Lekai Youth Club Yaripok, BYCY, conducted anti-drug drive in areas under the club today. A public meeting was also held at the club ground today. Attendees resolved to ban sale and purchase of drug and drug abuse in areas under BYCY. They also resolved to ban on inclusion of any intoxicants during any ceremonies performed in the locality and to charge a fine of 500 rupees against abusers and 1,000 rupees on drug peddlers. They urge SP Thawal Police and staff of Yaripok Police and the Excise Department to extend cooperation to the initiative. Manipur's team has left for Amritsar to take part in Junior National Penchak Silat Championship 2019 today. Penchak Silat Association Punjab organized this championship under the aegis of Indian Penchak Silat Federation from August 18 till August 21. President of the Association of Manipur, Slaishram Shyamkumar, flagged off the team consisting of 14 players, including girls, and 5 officials from North AOC. The team will compete in semi-artistic and tending events of the championship. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur observes 28th Manipuri Language Day, commemorating the day when Manipuri language was included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution on 20th August 1992. UCM warns of befitted reply by people of Manipur if Indian government finalized Indo-Naga peace talks with NSC and IM against the people's consent. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren announces rewards for SP Thawal and his team for busting a brown sugar factory at Thawal Moiting on Sadbhavana Divas observance today. KSA members stormed Kosam office demanding actions on authority of Chingtam Foundation for Innovative Education, Yaripok, for allegedly procuring Kosam recognition with fake documents. CLP leader Okrami Bobi says opposition party will praise government for its efficiency, but at the same time will not spare its misconduct. And Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren launches personal website. People may post their complaints and grievances to grievance cell of Chief Minister's Secretariat.